Have you ever gone on a date thinking, this time it will be different, only to walk away feeling unseen, unheard, or just a little disappointed again? Today I'll show you how to date in a way that feels lighter, truer, and actually fun without losing yourself in the process. Let's be honest, dating after 50 can feel like a mix of courage and confusion. You have grown wiser, stronger, and more independent, yet sometimes it feels like you're repeating the same patterns. Hopeful, disappointed, and hopeful again, etc. You don't need to play the game. You just need to remember your value and your joy. So in this video, I'll share my 3-step Love Reimagined, a simple way to date smart without losing your lightness and fun and genuine connection. When I started dating again after my 23-year marriage ended, including some deep dive into self-development, I knew what I wanted. I wanted kindness, chemistry, and companionship. But what I had not anticipated was how frustrating dating can feel. Feeling like you're repeating yourself, offering empty smiles, and walking away with very little attraction. One day after yet another coffee date that left me feeling empty and frustrated, I sat in my car and asked myself, what can I do differently? That question changed everything. It led me to refocus on what I wanted and what I deep down believed was possible, even if the dates so far had not shown that. I began to lead with joy and curiosity, not pressure or performance. I leaned into my belief because if it was going to happen at some point anyway, why stress about it? Dates after that realization became lighter, easier, and more fun. It stopped being about disappointed and started being about the journey. I call these 3 steps Love Reimagined. Number 1, know your worth, the foundation of smart dating. Number 2, lead with curiosity, the heart of joyful connection. Number 3, stay in your energy, the art of remaining true to yourself. These 3 steps completely shift how you experience dating. You'll stop asking, do they like me? And start asking, how do I feel when I'm with them? Now to the steps. Step 1, know your worth. After 50, your worth isn't something you need to prove, it's something you embody. Before your next date, take a few quiet minutes to write down 5 things you love about yourself. Not your looks or achievements, but who you are when you love. Maybe it's your compassion, your humor, your resilience. That list becomes your emotional compass. When you walk into the date grounded in that energy, you no longer chase approval, you radiate confidence and calm. And that alone changes the whole dynamic. Step 2, lead with curiosity. Curiosity is the light that leads to the way to joy. Instead of going on a date hoping for chemistry, go in with curiosity. Who is this person when they talk about life? What lights them up? How do I feel when I listen to them? When you lead with curiosity, you drop the checklist and start discovering. I began asking playful questions about their travel dreams, their concerts, the best meal they cooked. And suddenly dating became joyful again, like 2 explorers meeting, not 2 strangers performing. The right connection starts with curiosity, not criteria. Step 3, stay in your energy. This step is about emotional awareness, the ability to stay rooted in your energy no matter what happens. Notice how you feel during and after date. Does your energy expand or shrink? Do you feel peaceful or not? Staying in your energy means trusting your body's signal more than your hopes. For me, once I started noticing that difference, I could leave the dates feeling whole, even if there wasn't a spark. And that's the magic. Dating becomes lighter because your worth isn't up for debate anymore. What I have learned that dating smart isn't about finding the perfect person. It's about staying present, curious, and joyful as you meet people. It's about becoming someone who loves from wholeness. When you lead from curiosity, you bring lightness. When you stay rooted in joy, you bring peace. And from that place, love finds you. So this week, before your next date, or even before you open that dating app, pause and ask yourself, how can I bring more curiosity and joy into this moment? Because love after 50 isn't about chasing, it's about showing up grounded and fully yourself. If this message spoke to you, let me know in the comments what dating with curiosity means to you. And remember, love isn't something you find, it's something you become. I hope to see you next time. Love and light. Bye.